Have you heard of something called Liquivida? Well, if you haven't, you come to the right place. It's the most effective way to get micronutrients and vitamins into your body. Now, that goes for the average person all the way up to the highly conditioned athlete. And here to tell us more about it is our friend, Dr. Brian Zebrowski from ZMD Center for Face and Body Rejuvenation, Chad Van Horn, a PA with Liquivida, and Jeff Cogswell, a frequent user of Liquivida. And welcome to you all. Welcome back to you.
Thank you very much.
All right, so let's first talk about what this potion is.
It's an IV therapy, a way of getting nutrients, micronutrients, including vitamins, amino acids, essential minerals, and also all the way to the point of glutathione as supplements to help optimize and make our body work more efficiently.
Okay, now we mentioned, you know, an average person can get this, or of course a very conditioned athlete. Who needs it more?
Both. It's something that everybody should have. A lot of times we don't even realize what we're deficient in. One way is we can do an assay to do a check and see what they're deficient in, and also do a variety of different supplementations, IV supplementations, to try to optimize them. Anyone from a performance-enhancing type supplementation to a post-hangover, even glutathione, which is more of an antioxidant and just a general body healing type supplement.
All right, so Chad, you administer this, and it is an IV supplementation, as we mentioned. What happens when somebody like Jeff or anybody else wants to get this, comes into the office? What do you do first?
So we have them, fill out a history form. It's not required to do any sort of preoperative lab testing or anything like that. Anybody's a candidate for this. These are all water-soluble vitamins, very safe to use. You can't overdose on them.
No side effects? No
side effects. We stick around in case anything happens, but it's very safe, and everybody feels really good, especially either immediately thereafter, especially if you're post-hangover, or the morning after if you're, more of an athlete type or something like that.
How often do you need it if you do get it?
Kind of depends on your lifestyle. We have people that come in once a week, and we have people that come in once a month, so we sort of, tailor a plan to fit each person's preference and lifestyle. All
right, let's hear from the guy who actually takes this. So, Jeff, what made you decide to get this Liquivida?
Well, actually, someone told me about, trying the IV nutrients, so what I did is I actually went to a place, really didn't feel much, and actually someone told me about Liquivida. So what I did is I went there, they actually did a micronutrients test on me, and then they found out what I was deficient in. And then after that, I actually did one called the performance hydration. So really what it is you do it, it takes about 45 minutes, and really it's the next day for me that I was you feel like an extra step. You really feel good, and it lasts. And I do actually mine once a week.
Now, are you an athlete? You obviously look like you're in great physical shape.
I just basically train. I'm an everyday person, but I train 7 days a week. So I really live by it.
So with this supplementation, are you feeling like you have more energy?
Yes.
And what else do you feel?
Well, you just feel overall, because when you're eating, when you take multivitamins and stuff like that, well, I did a lot of research. You only get 30% of what you actually take in, but with IV, it's 100% going into your bloodstream. So really, you get all of the nutrients that you just can't get on a daily basis.
All right. Okay. Well, Dr. Z, they should come and see if anybody's watching and is interested in getting this done.
Right.
And it's easy. You just walk in, get it done.
Yep. Everything's ready, pre-made, ready to be mixed.
Bada bing, bada boom.
Yep.
All right. And thank you so much, guys. Appreciate it. And for more info on Liquivida and to see what else Dr. Zebrowski and his team have to offer, just head to zmdcenter.com, or you can call 813-949-4000. Thanks again, guys. All right. And we'll be right back with more Daytime right after this.